In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export business history in Meta Business Suite. If you need a record of changes, activity, or account history for your business in Meta Business Suite, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and generate your export without confusion. First, make sure you're already inside Meta Business Suite for the correct business account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will open the area where Meta keeps your business level controls and administrative information. After that, go to Business Info. This section contains the core details related to your business account. And it's also where the export option is located. If you don't immediately see everything on screen, take a moment to scan the page carefully because depending on your layout or screen size, some options may appear slightly differently. Once you're in Business Info, click on Export. This opens the export tool for your business history. At this stage, Meta is preparing to let you define exactly what time period you want included in the file, which is useful if you only need records from a specific window rather than your entire account history. Next, select a date range. Choose the start date and end date that match the business history you want to download. It's a good idea to double check the dates before moving on, especially if you are exporting this for reporting, compliance, internal review, or record keeping. Picking the correct range now can save you from having to repeat the process later. Once your date range is set, click on Create Export File. This tells Meta Business Suite to generate the file based on the dates you selected. Depending on the amount of data included, it may take a little time for the export to be prepared. If that happens, just be patient and allow the system to finish processing. And that's it. You've successfully started the export of your business history in Meta Business Suite. If you're doing this regularly, it can be helpful to keep a consistent date range format for your records so your files stay organized and easier to reference later. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to export business history in Meta Business Suite.